The market now is a very strange situation, because in the beginning, when started COVID problem, I speak for my side, but honestly for everybody, we was afraid, because the market stopped immediately, the world was stopped. Then start again some negotiation where we work at home. And there was some client that asked about boats, anytime more. And then we arrived to start 5, 6 of really good negotiation. In the end, in the last 9 months, we sold 350 meters. And in effect, we understood that, I can say thanks to the COVID, but with the new situation of lifestyle, the people understood that to have some property is better to have things to share. And I know that private jet, villas and yacht, the business is growing up. Now another destabilization is by the cost of the material that give us the responsibility to find, to buy good way also material around the world to guarantee the delivery time for boat like this. You can imagine that 4 years building time help a lot of things. We're looking very seriously way, because our business is anytime is go up and down, and we are sure that in few years the vessels that are in production now, they create an inflection between second-hand boat and the new one. And it's really important for in this time to be ready for a new generation boat. And for me, new generation boat is on a vessel that is with the new technology propulsion, like the cars. You are watching the market of the car are happening this thing. And fortunately, technology of the batteries is growing up very fast. And now there is batteries that we can recharge very fast, and it's helped. We are studying vessels that are no big like the Polaris, that is a 70 meter, but 40 meter boat are just to have sense to start to think about hybrid with a lot of storage batteries on board. You can imagine to stay in a bay, in a marina, in anchor all the night with zero emission, or navigate 6 hours for 6 knots, 8 knots speed. Is the first step, really steps to go in a direction green. I suppose that there is margin also to calculate very well the operation of the boat. It is the first point when it's important to start under the responsibility of a shipyard, because the shipyard don't start to study batteries or technologies. And if you consider that this boat to running needs 4 megawatts of power per hour, no batteries can support this consumption. But if we integrate systems that help to save load in terms of power for hotel and to create a hull really efficiency for the propulsion to the way, it's another support for the technology to can integrate the two systems. We prefer to continue for the full custom, that vessel that burn together with the client. It is our comfort way to proceed in the business. And our facilities, we are on a production limited. It's a 2-3 boats per year, and we can to block on a slot an opportunity to put any speculation on a vessel that born from also our idea, only our idea. The designer, we like to create anytime some special, but to create some special, we need the best designer that there is in the market. And for example, if we're talking about Polaris, there is Enrico Gobbi that know very well the client, his style. He designed exterior, interior, decoration, layout. In effect, the vessel is harmonic between any single detail. And for us it isn't a value. Now we are we are under construction on a really raw explorer, the real explorer. And then we need a hand that is expert of this style of boat. That sometimes in the market you see explorer are yacht with the balanced like explorer. That is another way, it's another things. Utopia was another complete vision. No? If you remember, we met them in Fort Lauderdale, and then there was a vessel that was studied for this specific area, no? Where the draft was the problem, because Miami, Bahamas, shallow draft. 63 meters that can stay in 2.10 m water. This was the goal, the target. Then is to be creating a beautiful design. The inspiration was the Porsche 911, and it was amazing layout with a big, generous owner cabin. But it was another story. Polaris is ice class and steel, Azipod propulsion, diesel electric. It is a completely another mood. I don't like to go faster in the water. I prefer to stay relaxed, enjoy to the panorama, to the nature. I love it, honestly.